Story of the Little Witch. For this craft, you will need one orange sheet of paper and a pair of scissors, and a great imagination. One day, a little witch was walking through the woods, but the wind started blowing and the leaves were flying everywhere, and it was getting cold and cold. All of a sudden, a leaf of paper flew right at her feet. The little witch picked it up and thought, I will use this to keep me warm. So first, she folded the piece of paper in half and then thought, I need a house, and started cutting a round roof. At the end of her roof, she left a little space for her broomstick. Perfect. But hold on a minute. How do I get into the house? She thought. I have an idea. And she started cutting herself a door. However, witches wear pointy hats. So this witch had to make sure that they made the top of their door pointed so they could get through. Next, the witch couldn't forget her little kitten, and she cut a second door, also pointed, for her kitten wore a pointed hat, just like her. Wait a minute, what am I missing? It's going to be dark when I get in this house. The little witch decided that she was going to cut herself some windows so the light could pass through and lighten up her new room. So she cut a square. There, she thought. This is the perfect house, and I will be able to stay warm. But wait, it's not over. If you turn your page around and unfold it, you get a jack-o'-lantern. Surprise! Happy autumn, everyone. Enjoy the beautiful fall colors in your area. Bye and have fun. I'm grateful our paths have converged for a while. I had fun learning something new with a smile. Bye for now.